Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn Transformation. And today we are gonna talk about a very interesting topic which is Net Promoter Score or Net Promoter System. So I'm here for you all. Yes, you heard it right, for you all to help you on the topic Net Promoter Score. Net Promoter Score is a very innovative tool which measures the willingness of customer that whether they will recommend your company's product or service to others. Net Promoter Score helps in increasing customer satisfaction and also to gain confidence in the business. But before moving forward, please subscribe our channel Learn Transformation if you haven't done yet. So let's get going. Here we have some examples for your reference. In case you are interested, just have a look. Now the question arises, do you really know your customers? Here are some points to be considered to know your customers, and which are: how to measure customer satisfaction, what is Net Promoter Score, how to measure loyalty, how to create Net Promoter Score, and what is Net Promoter System. Now why do customers churn? Because 45% customers change their mind as they had a very bad customer experience. 39% switch based on the recommendation, and let's say 35% switch because their needs had changed. Now there is an analysis of business which states that 80% of businesses offer a great customer experiences, which contrasts with the 8% of customers who feel the same way. But remember, only one bad experience is enough to increase the risk of jumping ship by 89%. As we are talking about Net Promoter Score and how to create Net Promoter Score, Dr. Frederick was the one who identified Net Promoter Score. Net Promoter Score is a management tool which measures the loyalty of firm's customer relationship. Net Promoter System is a substitute to traditional customer satisfaction survey which was widely embraced by more than 2/3 of Fortune 1000 companies across the globe. So Net Promoter Score measures the loyalty between a provider and a consumer. Now what is Net Promoter Score or Net Promoter System? How to create Net Promoter Score? How to measure customer satisfaction? How to measure loyalty? Net Promoter Score is calculated based on responses to a single question, and that question is: how likely is it that you would recommend your company, product, service to a friend or colleague? And this is the ultimate questions which is asked again and again, and the score for this answer is based on 0 to 10 scale, as you can see in the figure below. Net Promoter Score percentage is calculated by subtracting the percentage of detractors from the percentage of promoters. Now based on the responses, customers are ranked into 3 categories, which are promoters, passives, and detractors. Promoters are those who keep buying from a company and recommend their friends to do the same, and they have the score of 9 to 10. Passives are those who are satisfied but unenthusiastic customers, and they have the score of 7 to 8. And detractors are unhappy customers trapped in a bad relationship, so they have the score between 0 to 6. Before moving forward, just a quick reminder, you can also follow us on other social media handles like Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest, and also please subscribe our channel Learn Transformation and press the bell icon right next to it. So what's the difference between satisfying and delighting customer? Customer satisfaction is the process of achieving goals and consistently delivering the value you promised, whereas customer delight is the wow factor. It proves to the customer that you understand their needs and can anticipate ways to improve situation. So a delighted customer is less likely to go to the competitor as against a satisfied customer. Let's take a real life example. Suppose you are at McDonald's and you order a burger and they give you timely delivery of your burger. Then you are a satisfied customer. And if they give you McPuff as compliment with the burger, then you are a delighted customer. Net Promoter Score varies from industry to industry, and a good score is considered between 50 to 80. Average companies have the net score between 5 to 10. It means you can say that their unhappy and happy customers are equal, which results in they have to struggle to achieve sustainable growth. Well-known US brands like Amazon, Harley-Davidson, Costco, Dell, they have the net promoter score efficiency ratings of 50 to 80%. Yes, you heard it right, 50 to 80%. So you can say a net promoter score of over 30 means a company is doing okay. Now we need to know the reasons behind low net promoter score, and which are lack of consistent and personal service, irrelevant proactive notifications, and ineffective mobile self-service apps. As we're talking about how to measure loyalty, a loyalty metric is influenced by several factors, which are technical issues, billing issues, pricing and value, and many more. But our focus is on keeping promoters versus uplifting detractors, and cost of uplifting detractors is more than keeping promoters. So you can have a look on the ways by which you can uplift your detractors and keep your promoters. Now, what can move the NPS needle? What amendments can be done to improve customer satisfaction or customer loyalty? 84% more likely to recommend your product if you solve the customer issues. 83% more likely to recommend if service provider would empower them with self-service via their smartphone. So here we have a sample message for your reference. Just have a look if you are interested. If you have any query regarding Net Promoter Score, then please do tell us in the comment section and we'll try our best to solve your query. Also, please do tell us what you think about NPS. Just go and comment.